Congratulations, you just purchased the CSC TT250 Bike in a Box, which means you saved extra at purchase, but also you get to enjoy the satisfaction of building your own motorcycle. Just simply follow this series of videos where we're going to show you how to assemble it and prepare it so you too can enjoy the ride. One of the great things about owning a TT250 is the simplicity of this machine. Whether it's repairing it, just maintaining it, or even assembling it, it only requires simple hand tools that most people have around the house. You can see we've got some sockets, some Allen wrenches, box end wrenches, utility knife, screwdrivers, side cutters, ratchets, very simple hand tools. Under each of the episodes of the assembly and even of the adjustments, we're going to show you the specific tools you need, but just a general set of tools is normally good enough. Now, in this video, we're going to be removing the box and getting the parts and the motorcycle away from the crate. It only requires a few simple tools. We've got a 10mm socket, a utility knife, a 22mm wrench, or an adjustable wrench. But most importantly, you're going to want a second set of hands to help you out. The first thing we want to do are cut the straps and then remove the box, which will slide upwards. First thing we want to do is get the top off of the crate, but in order to do that, we need to remove this bolt from the neck of the motorcycle. There's a little spacer under here that can be tossed out once we remove it, but you want to save the bolt and the washer for the bolt. I'm using that 22mm wrench to get this off. And then we're going to use 10mm sockets to remove all the fasteners. Now we're going to go ahead and take the tire off the sides just by removing the wire ties. And then the box of parts. We're also going to go ahead and cut off these top parts that are just taped to it. Be careful, your seat's under here. And now we can go ahead and get those side slats off. Now that we have the bike out of the box, let's go ahead and organize the loose parts that are shipped in it. Now that we have all the loose parts spread out and somewhat organized, we can see that there are a lot of small fasteners, there's a lot of hardware, which is a good thing. A lot of these are extras sent by the factory just as replacements if you ever needed them. As we go through this video series, we're going to show you part by part the tools and the fasteners required for each part of the assembly. But as you can see, we've got the fork guards, mirrors, the tank side panel, a skid plate, side stand, front axle, mounting hardware for the handlebar. As mentioned before, we will go through this step by step, piece by piece, so that it's much easier to follow.